I hope. You are such a fucking... Oh, I'm going to get you. I'm going to get you now, mate. This guy just takes me out. You're not going to get away with that, mate. Yeah, nice try. Ah. What? My downshifting doesn't work. No way. My fucking downshifting doesn't work. No! Yes guys, welcome back to a brand new iRacing video, but this time not league racing. This time we're back with our Road to 2K iRating series. In our last episode we're actually close again. We're now around 1800 iRatings, so we're actually getting quite close. And we're here at a new track this week, and it's a really short circuit, really technical, which I really love. I love these type of circuits, and I actually practice a lot. So yeah, I feel really confident going into this race. Let's see if we can make a big step towards that 2K iRating goal. But first I have a really interesting story for you guys, because last weekend I have my first race win and my first podium in real life racing in the competition I participate. It was a crazy day. I had one of my best races. I practiced it a lot. I had one of my best performances of the season, and soon I'm going to upload the onboard footage of the racing with like my commentary, or if you prefer like just the raw footage without commentary, please let me know. So stay tuned for that. And if you want to follow more of my racing journey, please follow me on Instagram as well. And there you can see more about the photos, my recaps. Yeah, then you can basically stay tuned about all the updates, because there of course I'll share more updates in here on YouTube. So please follow me if you would like to see that. And for now, without further ado, let's hop into the qualifying. Let's go. Yes guys, we're off to qualifying here, so crucial to warm up the tires really well and not do too many dumb things. As I said, this track, it's really short, and it's really narrow, as you can see. Yeah, having a good qualifying position here is so crucial, because it's really hard to overtake, and if you have to overtake, it's really risky. Took a bit too much curve there, that's a shame. Alright, we're up a lot on our banker, so let's see if we can improve by that. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Let's see what we get. 1, 2. Oh, P2. We're so close to P1, guys. Are you kidding me? Within 1/10. Actually, the whole top 5 is... the top 4 is really close to each other. It's basically within 2/10. That's so much fun. I love that. You should be on the inside, so let's see if we can get a good start and try to get in front of him. Let's hope. All right, guys, we are gridded, and I actually know why we lost pole, because I made that mistake of a slight moment when I took too much curb. I basically lost like, I think, half a tenth or maybe a little bit more. So that was the mistake that costed me pole. That's really interesting to always reflect on where you can improve. So that's a shame, but as you can see, we're on the inside. So if we have a really good start, we might be able to attack. We have cool tires, and it's a really technical track, so we really gotta be careful. And for now, yeah, let's just see and hope for the best.
Green flag, green flag. The next car's the leader.
Taking it a little bit cautious here because we have cold tires. So far, I'm quite happy with this race start. Behind they're fighting, we're in a slipstream. Oh, really pushed it there. Wow. Not my best line. Okay, I'm going to lock in like crazy now, because I really need my focus here. Why? Oh my god. Why do I always crash when I say that? I was a bit distracted by him, but I missed my braking point as well. Oh my god. Wait, I got a 4x for that? I didn't touch him. Are you kidding me? Well, rip my safety rating. We actually have a really big gap to the cars behind, so we're still in the fight for the win. Make him a bit scared, it's all good. He's taking like really narrow lines. That's interesting. I take more wide lines, but we're really close, and we actually have a big gap to the cars behind, so that's good. Oh, we have a really good exit. But yeah, the straight is too close. Let's try to make him think we're going for it. Wow, I can't get close. This guy is pushing so consistently without making any mistake. Crazy. Ah, should have trail brake there more. That's a shame. I'm stupid. And now I'm over pushing to keep up. It's literally a copy of every lap. And then he gets like a couple of tenths. Or like 1/10 or a couple of hundreds every lap. And I just can't close in and I have slipstream. Of course the slipstream isn't that powerful here. But you can see I'm turning red. I'm pushing. I can't get close. Yeah, I'm not getting this corner right anymore. Look at our last lap time. We're so close. Oh, shit. I think it's over unless he makes a big mistake. Yeah, GG's to this guy. He drove flawlessly, like 0 mistakes. Wow. GG's to this guy. Okay, let's do one more race then. One more. Alright guys, we are back. And for the second race, I'll bring my secret weapon. What's the stop? Yeah, that's better. But yeah, we're into the second race. We are around 1.9k iRating. Oh, guys, let's go. I think like the maximum you can gain is 100 when you win. So I should be slightly under 1,900. But if I manage to get a good result here, then we'll be really close to 2k iRating. So that's gonna be really nice. And then we're really close to our goal because I wanted to reach 2k iRating this year and 3k iRating next year. So then I'm still like on time. But yeah, of course, we're getting tougher opponents now because we're growing in the leaderboards. And I can already see in the practice that one guy is cooking. So that's going to be crazy. We have actually some guys with 2.1k iRating. So we're into the qualifying. All right, guys, let's lock in.
Green, green, green. Okay, here comes your first time lap.
Oh, what a lap. That was a really good one. I can't look at the time yet. Yeah, now it's over. This is not good, guys. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm braking so late. Oh no, I'm going to lose a lot of positions here. Yeah, this lap doesn't matter anyway anymore. Oh no, guys, we ruined it. I'm now on P3, but I think I'm going to drop to P5 or P6 or something. Oh my god. Oh, this hurt. This hurt. Oh, I got a really good start. Yeah, I had to back out there because otherwise we would have crashed.
Car on your left. We're on the right. Green
Yeah.
line. We're on the right.
I saw that happening.
Clear.
Oh, this is not going to... Oh my.
Car on your left.
Oh my. He almost took me out. I already saw it happen and I was so cautious. This guy is dirty. You pushed him off the track. Oh, I'm going to take revenge, brother. I'm going to get him for you. And once again, I got into the points while not hitting anyone. I'm trying to avoid everyone, try to race clean, and I'm still getting into the points. Are you kidding me? Okay, let's lock in, guys. What? My downshifting doesn't work. No way. My fucking downshifting doesn't work. No! Oh my god! My wheel, no! It's back. The force feedback is gone. I don't know what's happening with my wheel. It's going crazy. Oh, what's happening? My wheel. He came back alive. Oh, I lost so much time with that. Are you kidding me? Okay, now I need to really lock in because otherwise, with this challenge, I'm not going to score any points. So let's lock in now. No!
Blue car ahead. Car stops on the right.
Please fucking shift! Are you kidding me?
Clear on the right.
No! I'm losing so much position because my wheel doesn't work. Are you kidding me? And the force feedback is gone again. I'm so afraid. It's happening again. I'm sorry, bro, but my wheel wasn't working. My wheel wasn't working. This is so scary. Shift! Oh my shift! Shift!
Right side.
No! I'm getting robbed! I'm getting robbed! Are you fucking kidding me?
Right side.
Oh, no way!
Still there. Hold your line. Clear.
Whoa! My steering wheel's going crazy. It's back again with the force feedback. I'm so fucking angry. Oh, thank you for shifting back. I really appreciate it. I'm trying everything, guys, but I'm not going to keep this place. I'm getting robbed! Ah!
You're losing on the car.
I know, mate! I know! Oh, what is this? I'll fucking end up in P11! Oh, yeah. Shit, thank you. Let me at least try to create a little bit of a gap. Oh, I need to survive 6 minutes. Impossible, impossible. I'll tell you that already because it's going to fall again. Oh, it's back. This is basically bullying. This is just bullying. What is this? Oh, I want to shift. Please let me shift. Thank you. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so sweating like crazy. This is intense. This is not why you should sweat normally into iRacing. I'm fighting for P10 for all my life. And I'm so much faster when I can shift. No. Not like this. Not like this. Oh my. Mate, I hate this game.
Right side. Still there. Hold your line. Clear.
I hope. You are such a fucking idiot. Oh, I'm going to get you. I'm going to get you now, mate. I'm going to send it on your inside. You don't even know. Look, you think I'm not going for it?
Left side.
Yeah, now you can just go fuck yourself, mate. I'm not going to get... Then I just don't care about my safety points. This guy just takes me out. You're not going to get away with that, mate.
Left side.
Try, ah? See you, mate. See ya. Oh, yeah. Good try. Good try. Oh, we got him, guys. That was karma for him. One of the most stupid drivers I've ever countered. Oh my god. Oh, wow. I need to take a shower. I'm sweaty. Oh, guys. We went from P2 for the fight for P1 to this. I'm robbed. I'm robbed. I thought I gained so much iRating and I'm losing everything. And I did this for nothing. This is crazy. Okay, let's look into the results. Ah! Not my cleanest race, definitely the last one, but that guy deserved it. I'm 100% sure. If you guys agree or if you don't agree, let me know in the comments. But I think he definitely deserved that because he purposely took me out while I left the space for him on the outside. But yeah, first race, only 4 incident points. And the incident points were actually not deserved at all because we didn't even touch someone. So that was crazy, but second place. Really happy with that. We gained 74 iRating. That's crazy, guys. That's a lot. 74. Really happy with that. And we gained safety rating. So we're still trying to go towards 4 safety rating because if I get to 4 safety rating, I'll upgrade to C class because I'm currently in D class. And basically in iRacing, you have like rookie class, D class, C class, B class, A class. And the higher you get, basically the more leagues you can drive. You can do endurance racing, and especially endurance racing is something I would really love to try. But then, yeah, disaster struck. We got robbed by our own steering wheel, which was crazy. Okay, minus 54 iRating. It's bad, but it's not that bad because after all, I still gained 20 iRating. Yeah, it's basically not that much. And I think we were definitely in the race for P6 or P5. And then we would have gotten some iRating. So that's a shame. We still didn't lose any safety rating, which is really crazy because we got 7 incident points, which is a lot. But okay, iRacing, I'll take it. We're now 150 iRating off, which is not that much. And I want redemption. So in the next video of this iRacing series, in a Road to 2K iRating, I'm going to drive here one time again because I want redemption. And maybe we can get the 2K iRating if it goes really well. But yeah, even though it was a crazy race, I hope you guys still enjoyed it. The second race, yeah, the first race was boring and the second race brought like the fun fun stuff, but yeah, I'm not really happy with that for my iRating. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. It motivates me a lot to make more videos. I see all the comments on the previous videos as well, and I appreciate you guys a lot. And without further ado, hope to see you guys to the next video, and thanks for watching. Ciao.